Welcome, everyone. My name is Julia Anisimova, and I'm a nurse practitioner. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio, and my practice is at the Cleveland Clinic, Glickman Urologic Institute.
And I'm Charity Gardner, nurse practitioner for Amarillo Urology Associates in Amarillo, Texas. I run the men's clinic at TMD Men's Health there.
This video is a part of the So They Are on TRT Now What series. And if you're just joining us, check out our introductory video first. The series was created to provide conversation and education as part of collaboration with Tolmar. And the goal is to offer practical TRT management advice for APPs by APPs.
We are thrilled to have you for this very special segment, Women of TRT. As two female experts working in men's health, Julia and I are going to share our unique perspectives on what it's truly like to provide health care in this specialized field.
We will answer your most important questions. We'll also address practical, sensitive questions we get asked from men. We'll explore the current landscape of TRT options as well.
We are incredibly passionate about this much-needed discussion today, and our goal is to provide some clarity, share some practical strategies for treatment, empower more APPs in this vital field. We'd also like to shed some light on unique and often overlooked dynamics on women providing care for men with low testosterone.
And this conversation is essential for advancing men's health care. Visit our So They Are in TRT Now What series online and share with your peers.